Hi Kitty, please here today I'm going to draw a pet, so let's get started. First, draw a line to the left and then curve outward. Now connect the line. Now just follow with me. Draw the handle. Just following with me. Now draw two round big eyes, insert with a circle and another smaller circle inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have a cute pet.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.